ngani bumung ngani ani bumung by school ni bus kamu boundary wa ani bumung sijali nothing planning tamu bumung ni kaisa do je maybe reverend maybe evangelist already one suknai dopa hota muno one suknai berta mata yes sungguh kaisa bunyi dopa tai gedau na musung he wants to connect sungguh bizimi angkoi kheto phayai lekha para khlai chakri khlai je thangmani bisingni chini dopharo age je chakri khlaidai henkai bui bai thutuk thatak bui ni dopha pai uklok pi khlaija pion chakri keran chakri chikon attested khlaige bui thane ma thango all by henkai sung je saklai pano outsiding achievement khlaidai hinai surilai akhoi khlai kana hai angma to dan bage henkai school kaisa ki sanani easy ya awan bage nang sanang mu sunggo je 95 student pass out this year class 10 and 57 supposed to be 57 we can say 57 don't lose your heart 3 student right now 54 injon student mismatching unkha awan bagai exam sociology humani all science unkha awan bagai so don't lose your heart awan bagai norok after few months norok pass inside tan mane this school is 100% pass I remember so 100% achievement so about 1992 sengo 92 sengo negligible khana something not wrong khana 3 lakh sar khana tabu bangte ekai hostel ek tongo 110 jon 2018 ni saka 2018 ni saka postpone taka hostel ni settlement na 2018 ni only semi 65 khlaika tab 80 rupees planning tongo 120 khlainan bagai ekai tini honorable minister finance tangmani suddenly tini chief minister ni program kha tini to jugdo ni bagai kaisa